In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $300 per day. And this is going to be passive income, guys. This is going to be something real. So you better watch everything. Hey, hello. My name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how you can earn $300 per day, and this is going to be passive income. So that means that you're going to be doing the work once. And after that, you're going to be earning money month after month after month. Okay. But something really important, guys, this is not something magical. You need to watch the video and you need to apply everything that I'm going to show you. Okay. So I'm going to show you everything because I want to make sure that we are actually on the same page. Okay. As I mentioned before, we are going to be, or actually I'm going to teach you how you can earn $300. Diana, what if I just want to earn 100? Can this actually work for me? Yeah. What if I would like to earn $1,000 per day? Can this actually work for me? Absolutely. Okay. So everything is going to depend 100% of you taking action. If you don't take action, you're not going to be doing anything. Okay. First, the very first thing that we're going to be needing, it's something that we call it's traffic. Okay. Basically, these are eyeballs of people who are interested on a product or a service. Okay. And it can be your own product or it can be someone else's products. I actually do something that is called affiliate marketing. So basically, I'm promoting someone else people product or service, so I don't have to worry about customer service, tech support, and all this stuff. Okay. And you can use different what we call traffic sources, which is basically Facebook, YouTube. You can create a blog. You can use Instagram. You can use TikTok. And I'm pretty sure that in the future, we are going to have more. You can do this for free, okay, by creating content, or you can do pay advertising, okay? Something really important, guys, is that please make sure that you're going to be choosing one traffic source, okay? What's the best traffic source? It's actually depend on you. If you spend a lot of time on Instagram, I'm pretty sure that you already know everything about Instagram. Okay, go all in with Instagram. When you dominate it, go with another traffic source. Okay, so don't try like, okay, today I'm going to be creating a YouTube video. And in a week, I'm going to be trying to go blogging because you're going to be sabotaging yourself. Okay, so we also are going to be driving this traffic with what we call, okay, I'm going to put here because we're going to drive traffic with what we call a capture page. I'm going to put here CP. Okay, here on that capture page, you are going to be offering something for free. It can be an ebook, it can be a free training. Okay, so you're going to be asking people for their name and their email address. Okay, in return of this. Okay, and then you can actually send them to what we call a sales page. Okay, so I'm going to put here SP. Okay, sales page. You don't have to worry about the sales page if you're doing affiliate marketing. This is one why I recommend this as if you're a beginner, because you don't have to worry about creating a product, you don't have to worry about creating a service, tech support, process and payment, or even creating the sales page. Okay. With this, we are also doing another step is that we are building an email list. So I'm going to put here EL because we are going to be actually building an email list. Okay. I'm going to zoom this out so you can have a better view and a better understanding. Okay. And here with the email list, you're going to have the opportunity to send people information about different products and service, not only just about one. Okay. And you have to understand that sometimes people are not ready to make the purchase right away. They need sometimes more information. Sometimes they are really interested about the product or service that you're promoting. But people are not with their wallet like, hey, yeah, everything that shows up right now, I'm gonna be buying it. Okay, that doesn't work like that. Okay, so this can be P1. I'm gonna put his like product one. This can be product number two. This can be product number three, and maybe product number one. Maybe the creator of the product has a system in place. Okay, and maybe that person is not only promoting one product, but they're also promoting other products. Okay. So if someone's make the purchase on all of this product or any of the product, you are going to be earning money. Okay. Also, we have other type of emails that we call broadcast emails. Okay, I'm going to put like different arrows here. Okay, these are emails that we send not automatically. Okay, and this is actually cool because this is automatic, but this is something that we call a broadcast. Okay, maybe we have running in special. Okay, holiday, Cyber Monday, Black Friday, and all this stuff. So you're going to be sending them information about that product, about that service, and again, maybe this person have other products on the back end. By the way, guys, if you don't have a system right now and you're looking for a tool, there are several that I can recommend. Okay, there's one that is called System.io. I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can open a 100% free account. No, don't worry, you don't need to provide any kind of payment method, and you are going to be able to create your capture page, and also you're going to be able to create your email list. Okay, they're an all-in-one tool. Okay, I'm going to be leaving the link below so you can open your account. Right now, I'm also using a Weber. That's actually the tool that I started using to my email list. So if you want to compare between one of the other, I'm going to be also leaving the link below so you can check that tool as well. Okay, but actually, this is actually really important because once you have a system in place, especially a system like this, okay, your ecosystem is going to be working. Okay, it's going to be working for you 24/7. Okay, because you are on a daily basis going to be getting eyeballs. Okay, you're going to be on the daily basis capturing people's emails. Okay, and you are going to system is going to be sending them information automatically. Okay, so if you want to learn more about this, check the very first link in the description. With also, it's going to be my #1 recommendations to make money online. And again, all the links for the tools that you would like to give it a try, it's going to be in the description. This is a system. This is actually the same system I have been using for the past 6 years. So trust me, guys, when I tell you that this actually works. So this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this content helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.